attention. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. And I sit on top of you. I wanna go where nobody's been.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keishante Chantel. So if you are new here, welcome. And if you have been here before, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy that you landed upon the right place. There's no other place that you should be. So today's video, we are going to be talking about a brand that I have seen all over TikTok, all over Instagram, like you name it, this brand is everywhere. So we're gonna be talking about Temu. So if you're not familiar with Temu, Temu is a brand that sells everything from beauty, fashion, household, electronics, you name it. So right now they're having a sale where you can save up to 90% off of all of these categories. So if you go on their website, and they're gonna have so many deals for you, and then they also offer additional coupons. Now what I love about Temu so far is that they offer free returns up to 90 days. So you have 90 days to try your item, and if you don't like it, you can send it back and get a full refund. And also they offer free shipping as well. So I think that's pretty good that you get to save on so many different things. I will have a coupon code later that you guys can save some additional money, because I'm all about saving a coin, okay? So first of all, Temu reached out to me and they sent me some items, and I'm so excited because this is my very first brand collaboration, and I'm excited to try these items. I went on their website. It was super easy to choose the items that I wanted. They make it, the website, they make it so easy to be able to look through. So we're gonna just jump into some of the items that I got, and I also have like a little try on for you guys. So this is the bag that they sent it in. The delivery was very fast. I'd say, like I said, ordering on the website was very easy. The first item that I got these lashes. I'm all about trying different styles of lashes. So if you know me, you know that, of course, I am a working makeup artist. So if you work in the makeup field, they have these packages where you can order multiple. You can even get different styles, and I think it's pretty cool. I chose this style, which is very wispy. I will have all of the links below in the description box, where if you see anything that you like, you can definitely, again, click on that item. It's going to take you straight to it, and then you can also save some money. But I love these lashes. They're so pretty, very wispy. They don't have like that plasticky feel. They're not mink, but trust me, you can wear these multiple times. That's why I chose these. And sticking with the beauty category, so a while back ColourPop came out with this lip balm that was like a little honey thing, and I never was able to get my hands on it. I was kind of disappointed because I don't think they came back out with it, but I went on Temu and Temu had it. So it's this little lip gloss, and I love the fact that everything comes sealed, because with some brands you just never know. But this, it comes sealed and it comes packaged, super cute, and you guys are gonna gag when you see this. It is a little honey pot. So it comes with a screw off top, and I have really dry lips, especially during the winter and spring, and it has a little bit of a fruity scent, and I'm okay with that. I absolutely love the way that it feels on the lips. I think the packaging is what sold me. It's so super cute. So that is one of the other items that I was able to pick out. Next, so I was able to get a human hair wig. So like, this is the item that I'm like most excited about, because I have been seeing like the little short bob hairstyle, and a lot of girls have been going like very bold and cutting their hair. I am not that bold, but I still want that look. So I picked out this wig and I absolutely, like, I'm obsessed with it. It is a 13 by 4 frontal. So first off, the hair, guys, the hair is so soft. I went with an 8-inch because, you know, again, there was no need for me to do like 18 or 20 inches if I was gonna cut it into a bob anyway. So I went with one of the shortest lengths, and I can honestly say the hair feels, it feels so good. Like, the quality of the hair feels really good. Even though I'm pretty sure the knots, they look like they're already bleached, I'm probably gonna go in and bleach that myself. And it did come with a wig cap. So it came with 2 wig caps, which is super awesome. Nothing different than any of the other wig brands that you see. They'll send you like lashes and a wig cap and sometimes some other goodies. And I love that they're not wasteful with their packaging. So I'm gonna do an install in another video that you guys will get to see me install it and style it. But again, everything that I got literally was so affordable. And then the next items that I got fall into the fashion category. So summer, well, actually spring. Spring is approaching. Spring is approaching very slowly, and I am looking for some really cute little pieces that not only do I want to take content pictures in, but I actually want to wear. And my closet consists of a lot of jeans and anime t-shirts, and I wanted something very cute that I could wear out. So I was able to pick out 2 outfits, and I love the fact that they come in these little packaging. If you shop on Shein, then you are familiar with their packages are very similar, but I love the quality of this because I would actually keep these and use it for something else. So the first outfit that I got was like some pretty bright colors. I got a pair of, it's a matching outfit. So it's a pair of shorts. They're almost like biker shorts in a sense, and they come with a matching top. So first off, I do like the quality of this. I like the fact that there is some sort of stretch to this material, and you can tie it in the front. I like the colors of it. I feel like this can be worn with a pair of either white sneakers or some black sandals. I do like the fact that the shirt, I feel like the shirt is versatile. You can wear it with like a black skirt or some denim jeans, but it definitely pairs very cute together with the top. And then the next outfit that I got was, so I got a long skirt, and I never jumped on a tie-dye trend until I ordered this. I like the fact that the material is not as see-through. So if I wanted to wear like a thong, or if I wanted to wear like a regular pair of panties, I don't have to worry about whether or not somebody is going to be able to see my goods. But I did get the matching top, which is pretty much like a crop top. So it's gonna show a little bit of your stomach, but what I do like is that if you wanted to bring the skirt up some, you don't have to worry about your whole entire belly showing. So if that is an area where you are a little bit self-conscious, this outfit is able to pretty much cover that. And again, I like the print on it. I feel like the print is really pretty. This outfit is definitely good for the summertime and the spring because it's very airy. Even though the material is very light, I feel like the material is really good quality. And then of course the last item that I was able to get was a pair of sandals, because no outfit is complete without a pair of shoes. So I chose these black sandals. They're really no different than a pair of sandals that you can get from like Walmart or that you can get from any other store, but they're really super cute. I feel like the quality is good. These are something that I feel like I would have or wear quite often throughout the spring and the summer, and I don't feel like they would hurt my feet. I like the black leather straps with the brown sole. I feel like these just would pair really good with dresses, skirts, denim, you name it. So these are all the items that I was able to pick up from Temu. So if you're interested in any of the items, you can save 30% off your order with my discount code OFF5735. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you stop by Temu, and I hope that you shop with them because they have some really great affordable pieces. And again, you can save 30% off of your order. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and I will see you guys in my next video.